Nice. Oh, this thing gets the corners.
Dude, it's like so effortless and just like cruising.
Yeah. Let's go. On stock suspension, bro.
Stock boys on big tires, monster trucks.
The 86 here, the Rally 86.
Already breaking necks.
It's all like period, like this is probably 20 years old.
No way.
I bet you
It has a 2JZ in it, bro.
I bet
it's
an LS. And he's trolling with the plates.
I doubt it. Moment of truth, bro.
That's a pretty sick.
Oh, you're wrong, bro.
It's a Toyota LS, bro.
Bro, it's
the 6-liter.
one of a kind Toyota LS. Bro, doesn't it?
It reminds me of Lilo and Stitch. Bro, look at this. Look at the front of it. No? Looks like one of the aliens.
Dude, that's what I was saying. It looks like an alien every time I look at this car. That's what your car needs, bro. Tell her. Tell her you need that.
My car.
This car, I wanted it until the new Corvette came out, bro.
Yeah.
And I was like, dude.
C8 shit on the R8?
Yeah, bro. This car.